How to make all photos and videos private on Instagram 2026. Do you want to make sure strangers cannot see your Instagram photos and videos? Whether you want full privacy or just more control over who sees your content, in the next 2 minutes, I will show you every official method to protect all your photos and videos on Instagram right now. Let us get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are covering how to make all your Instagram photos and videos private in 2026. I will show you how to do it on iPhone, Android, and desktop. Let us go step by step. Step 1. The most powerful and complete method is switching your entire account to private. This makes every single photo, video, and reel on your profile invisible to anyone who does not follow you all at once. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right and choose Settings and Privacy. Then tap Account Privacy and toggle on Private Account. Every photo and video on your profile is now protected instantly. Step 2. Here is exactly what changes the moment you switch to private. Only approved users can see your content. Strangers must send a follow request which you can approve or decline. Your posts with hashtags will no longer appear on public hashtag pages unless the viewer already follows you. Only your followers can like and comment on your content. Your bio and profile photo remain visible to everyone, but all your posts and stories are fully hidden. Step 3. How to make your account private on desktop. Log in to Instagram on your browser and click your profile picture at the top right. Click Settings, then Privacy and Security, and check the box that says Private Account. Instagram will immediately switch all your photos and videos to private. Step 4. Important note for business account users. All Instagram business accounts are public and cannot be set to private. If you have a business account and want full privacy, you will need to switch back to a personal account first. Go to Settings and Privacy, tap Account, tap Switch Account Type, and select Switch to Personal Account. Then follow Step 1 to turn on Private Account. Step 5. If you want to hide specific individual photos and videos without making your whole account private, use the Archive feature. Go to the post you want to hide, tap the three dots at the top right of the post, and tap Archive. Archiving stores the post in a private area that only you can see. You can restore it back to your profile whenever you want, and it will return in the same position in chronological order. Step 6. For extra protection, manage your tagged photos. Enable manual approval before tagged photos appear on your profile. Go to Settings and Privacy, tap Tags, and then tap Manually Approve Tags. From now on, any photo someone tags you in will require your approval before it appears on your profile. Pro tip. After making your account private, take time to review your existing followers list and remove anyone you no longer trust. Open your followers list, tap the three dots next to their name, and choose Remove. Making your account private only protects you from new strangers. Your current followers can still see everything, so cleaning up your followers list is just as important as turning on private mode. And that is it. You now know how to make all your Instagram photos and videos private by switching to a private account, how to archive individual posts, how to manage tagged photos, and what to do if you have a business account. Your content, your control. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram privacy tips. Drop a comment below and tell me, was your Instagram public or private before watching this? I read every single one. See you in the next video.